All right, guys, session recap for January the 30th. Let's start with the euro. Let's see what the euro is doing over the session. It's trying to bounce. As you guys can see, we took, let me see, this was yesterday's trade, and we have said that they might take the currency all the way to the down of the channel. They broke the channel. Now they are bouncing it off the trend line. Okay, so take a quick look. This is the 240-minute chart. They are bouncing it off the trend line, and we might see the bounce up to the. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Let's put the fibs here. Set of fibs to see where the bounce probably will be. What the chart is telling us is they want to go down. I mean, we have a dollar negative this morning and they didn't do nothing. They were still buying dollars. Let me give you. Where is my dollar index? Right here. So they're still buying dollars. Okay, that's putting a lot of pressure to the euro. Okay, they've been buying dollars, and this is what has put a lot of pressure into the euro. So let's go back to our signal, and the euro, we're just gonna wait. I mean, there is nothing to see. We see a trade right here. If they take this trend line, we might see them take it all the way to 134.99. Around 135, which is our support area that they form in here. Okay, that's about what 50 pips. 50 pips. Do you guys want to take the trade? Let's move on. Let's go to the Swissy. What the Swissy is doing? Swissy is going up. Yep. Yesterday we said there was a potential bear flag. What they did, they took it down. They sold it. They bounced it. And if you were paying attention, I think we mentioned yesterday what the bounce point was going to be of this bear flag. The tall, they came exactly to the 61 level and they bounced it off from there. They went to the 61A on the fifth from this move, right? So there you have it. And still, I'm really looking into this trade. If the euro starts to bounce off the level of 135, 35.90, I mean 34.90, we might see that they are gonna drive the Swissy to the upside. Okay, come here, square off this candle, and then take it south once again. So look up for that trade in the Swissy. Okay, let's go to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Yesterday was a. Oh yeah, they bounced it off our trend line that we placed. I think this was done yesterday. They came back. We had a channel in place yesterday. We draw it on our charts. Again, there was a bear flag. They sold it and they bounced it off. Okay, what they had yesterday was this. All right, they sold it. They came to the trend line and they are bouncing it now. Where? Exactly to our channel, and now they are taking it south. Okay, that's what they're doing. They are taking it south. Let's go to, this is the 240. Let's go to the 10-minute chart, see what they're doing in the 10-minute. There you go. That was our 10-minute chart. Just now they broke the bear flag they've been building since last night. Okay, they broke and they took it from 87.85 to 87.60 right now for 25 pips. All right, this trade was done right now. Anyways, let's take a look. Remember, Bank of Australia already said they don't want the currency all the way to 88, 89. They want it at 86 or 80. They might take this currency all the way to 80. So you gotta be ready to be trading the Aussie. Every single pullback they do is being sold off. I showed you guys this before. All right, every single of them has been done, has been sell off. Let me show you here. Let me expand the graph. Look at all these bear flags they've been selling. All right, look at all of this, and they are doing the same thing. We're waiting for this one to break to the south and come to the 86 level. That's what we're waiting for. Let's see if we can get it next couple of weeks. We don't know that yet when it's gonna happen, but we'll be looking at every single trade that we placing on the Aussie dollar. The CAD. Let's go to the CAD quickly. CAD, nothing to do. This thing is just horrendous. Uh, wow, look at this big trend. Nothing to do. All the way to the top. I don't want to be picking up tops, and I don't like it. Let's just place our horizontal line here, right there. There is a 111.93. It looks that they might try to, let me see, to push it down to the bottom of the channel once again and then bounce it. That's what they've been doing. Look, they came to the bottom. All right, they bounce it, came to the bottom, they bounce it. So, not stay away from the cat. I'm not taking the cat. Let's take to the yen. All right. So, this was the bear flag from yesterday, and we said it. We were waiting for the break. I know some of you guys took the trade. They took it all the way to 101.90, 101.80ish, kind of double bottom right here, and now they are reversing it. I'm expecting again to form another bear flag. So let me get rid of this for now. And let's see. Let's take some fibs from here to here to see where what the currency is gonna do. They are bouncing off of the 78 level. Okay. So if the currency goes up, it might bounce all the way to the 118. Okay. They created an A, B, C, D. If this is our A, this is our B, right? This will be our C, and our D will be in here. The extension target will be between 18 and 27. So they might take it all the way to 103.70, 103.40. I don't think they're gonna go that higher, but we don't know what the currency will do. But we'll be ready to trade it. So for now, let's move this out of the way. Let's take my trend line and realign it um, right here. I'm sorry, this way. This will be a trend line for the 240 minute, okay? And we're gonna wait for the break, okay? Break of this trend line, okay, is going to give us the opportunity to the downside on the yen again. Okay, you just wait for it. Now our first target will be this bottom that was formed. We were 101.72. From 102.71, that's about 100 pips. Right here, you have an opportunity of about 100 pips. If it breaks with 102.50, you're still going to have about 80 pips opportunity once it breaks that to the downside on the Japanese yen. Okay, let's go to the New Zealand. New Zealand, yesterday we talked about it. We were trading inside a box, right? You guys remember? We were trading inside a box and we were waiting for the announcement. Announcement from the New Zealand bank came off and they sold off. Now they bounced it exactly out of the resistance. I mean the support. The support that was it was in place. Now they might take it a little further. Now that the Aussie is selling off, we have our targets in place right here. This will be our the past PSR and the second PSR to be taken off. So we might see the currency come from 81.40 to above 80.80. All right, that's about 80 pips in there. So this is what I see, guys. I hope this can help you guys out in your trading for today. Or remember, today is Thursday, so there is a square off on London. Okay, so be aware of that. Fridays we do not place any trades because going on to the weekend you want to be flat. You don't want to have any positions. But here it is. It is what I see today. Hope to guys to see you tomorrow. Take care.